हेलो दोस्तों, अगर डिक्टेशंस पसंद आएँ तो लाइक, शेयर और सब्सक्राइब ज़रूर कर दीजिएगा। अगर आप इस चैनल पे नए हैं तो लाल रंग का सब्सक्राइब बटन है, बेल के साथ दबा दीजिएगा ताकि आपको आने वाली डिक्टेशंस टाइम टू टाइम समय पे मिल सकें। थैंक यू। Heard, Learned Counsel for the petitioners, Learned Standing Counsel for the respondent. Numbers 1, 2, 3. Shri K.K. Pandey, Advocate, holding brief of Shri Himanshu Pandey, Learned Counsel for the respondent number 4, Shri P.K. Dwivedi, Learned Counsel for the respondent number 7, and Shri Bhupendra Kumar Tripathi, Learned Counsel for the respondent number 9 full stop para. The petitioners have preferred the present writ petition inter alia with the prayer to quash the order dated 18/2/2020 passed by the Board of Revenue UP at Allahabad / respondent number 1 in second appeal number 25 of 1995-96 in bracket Gauri Shankar versus Manna Devi bracket out, as well as compromise dated 28/8/2019 full stop para. The facts in brief as contained in the writ petition are that a revision was preferred by one Gauri Shankar against Manna Devi before the Board of Revenue / respondent number 1 full stop. During the pendency of the aforesaid revision, a compromise was taken place between Srimati Amala Devi / respondent number 4 and Pradeep Kumar Pandey full stop, Ajit Kumar Pandey and Avinash Kumar Pandey and Srimati Parvati Devi, respondent numbers 5 to 8 on 15/7/2019 full stop. The same compromise was duly verified by the competent court and thereafter the same was forwarded before the respondent number 1 full stop. Taking into consideration the aforesaid compromise application, the second appeal in question was decided by the respondent number 1 on 18/2/2020 full stop. Aggrieved against the aforesaid decision, the petitioners have preferred the present writ petition full stop para. It is argued by learned counsel for the petitioners that the compromise application was submitted by the parties by way of collusion full stop. It is further argued that on account of decision taken by the respondent number 1, the plot of the petitioners were altered and the order impugned has been passed without providing any opportunity of hearing to the petitioners full stop para. On the other hand, it is argued by learned counsel for the private respondents that in case any compromise was taken place and on the basis of the same an order has been passed by the court of law, then only remedy lies with the petitioners to move an appropriate application before the court who recorded the compromise full stop. The question whether the compromise was valid or not could not be looked by the higher courts full stop. It is argued that the remedy is provided to the petitioners to file the appropriate application full stop. Learned counsel for the respondents also relied the provisions contained in order 23, rules 3 and 3A of the Code of Civil Procedure full stop para. It is true that a compromise forming the basis of the decree can only be questioned before the same court that recorded the compromise, and a fresh suit for setting aside a compromise decree is expressly barred under Order 23, Rule 3A full stop. It is equally true that the expression not lawful used in Order 23, Rule 3A also covers a decree based on a fraudulent compromise, hence a challenge to a compromise decree on the ground full stop over. तो दोस्तों ये था डिक्टेशन आपका सिविल मैटर 120 प्लस की स्पीड में था, ठीक है। और 2 मिनट के बाद शुरू करेंगे डिक्टेशन क्रिमिनल मैटर। तो ये जो नाम देखिए, ये क्रिमिनल मैटर जो अभी हम बोलेंगे ना, इसमें भी नाम आएगा, ठीक है।
और जो कहते हैं नाम नहीं आता है मैटर में या कुछ है, ये दुनिया भर की चीज़ें। तो इशू तो कोई भी नहीं है कि 120 में नाम आता है कि 100 में नहीं आता है, लेकिन अगर एग्ज़ाम में नाम आ गया तो आप क्या उखाड़ लेंगे एग्ज़ामनर का। अभी 2-3 दिन 4 दिन पहले NCLT अहमदाबाद का पेपर हुआ है, ठीक है, इंदौर और अहमदाबाद दोनों बेंच का, ठीक है। तो उसमें मैटर में 3 नाम आए हैं, ठीक। तो उस नाम की गारंटी कौन लेगा? अगर मतलब ये सोच के अगर हम ना डालें नाम वाले मैटर या कुछ भी, तो फिर उसका मतलब क्या निकलेगा? एग्ज़ाम में अगर मैटर आ गया तो आप तो वो पूरे तीनों नाम छोड़ देंगे, और वाकई में जो एग्ज़ाम देने गए होंगे जिन्होंने नाम की प्रैक्टिस नहीं की उनके नाम छूटे होंगे पक्का। तो इसीलिए हम कहते हैं कि नाम की प्रैक्टिस, देखिए नाम की प्रैक्टिस आपको लेके लिस्ट रोज़ नाम की प्रैक्टिस नहीं करनी है। जो भी मैटर आप लगा रहे हैं उसमें जितने नाम आए हैं उन नामों को 2-2 लाइन प्रैक्टिस कर लीजिए। उसकी वजह से होगा क्या कि जो नए नाम आते हैं ना उसमें आपका हाथ चल जाएगा, मतलब इनिशियल्स में हाथ चल जाएगा, तो आपको समझ में आ जाएगा ये कौन सा नाम है, ठीक है। तो चलिए फिर शुरू करते हैं क्रिमिनल डिक्टेशन। टाइम हो रहा है, ओके। वैसे तो 15 सेकेंड है अभी तो, लेकिन 10 सेकेंड में शुरू करते हैं, ठीक है। चलिए तैयार हो जाइए, अपना शॉर्ट हैंड की कॉपी वॉपी पेन वैन लेके एकदम तैयार हो जाइए। Start. This appeal takes exception to the judgment and order dated 13th March 2008 passed by the High Court of Punjab and Haryana at Chandigarh in criminal appeal number 241-DB of 1999, whereby the conviction and sentence awarded to the appellants Rohtas in bracket accused number 1 bracket out and Surendra Singh in bracket accused number 2 bracket out for offences punishable under section 302/34 of the Indian Penal Code 1860 in bracket IPC bracket out by the trial court came to be confirmed full stop para. Initially 6 accused were tried for the offence registered as FIR number 298 on 26th April 1998 at police station City Palwal full stop. Bishan Singh in bracket PW1 bracket out reported the matter to the police station, whose statement came to be recorded on 25th April 1998 at about 11:30 pm, alleging that at about 6:30 pm a quarrel had taken place between two groups full stop. He was member of one of the groups, whereas Roop Chand in bracket accused number 4 bracket out was member of another group that had assaulted his brother Ved Prakash and nephew Anil Kumar full stop. They had sustained injuries and were taken to government hospital Palwal by Bishan Singh full stop at about 8:30 am. When they were standing at the gate of government hospital Palwal, his brother Mohar Pal arrived there on a motorcycle full stop. He was told to bring money from a commission agent at Anaj Mandi Palwal full stop. When Mohar Pal was leaving towards Anaj Mandi at a distance of about 10 paces from the gate of the hospital, all the 6 accused persons came from the front side and stopped his motorcycle full stop. Soon thereafter, appellants Rohtas in bracket accused number 1 bracket out and Surendra Singh in bracket accused number 2 bracket out both inflicted knife blows one after the other in the stomach of Mohar Pal full stop. Immediately thereafter, Mohar Pal attempted to run away by raising alarm, maar diya full stop. Billu in bracket accused number 5 bracket out and Rajender in bracket accused number 3 bracket out caught hold of Mohar Pal and Dev Kumar in bracket accused number 6 bracket out gave one knife blow in the abdomen of Mohar Pal full stop. Similarly, Roop Chand in bracket accused number 4 gave knife blow in the abdomen of Mohar Pal full stop. He also gave a knife blow on the waist of Mohar Pal, as a result of which Moharpal fell down, full stop. It is stated that who were present at the scene ran towards the spot, and on seeing them the accused persons ran away, full stop. Thereafter Moharpal was immediately removed to the hospital injured condition, where he succumbed to the injuries and was declared dead, full stop. On the basis of this FIR, the investigation was taken over by ASI Gyan Singh (PW6), full stop, para. After completion of investigation, charge sheet was filed against 6 accused persons for offence punishable under section 148, 302 and 149 IPC, full stop. The trial commenced before the additional sessions judge first, Faridabad, being sessions case number 40 of 1998, full stop, over. तो फ्रेंड्स ये हो गया है, ठीक है. 120 प्लस की स्पीड थी. फ्लक्चुएशन हमने लास्ट में पैदा की इसलिए क्योंकि ये जो नाम आ रहे थे ना उनको हमने स्लो किया ताकि आप नाम पकड़ने की जो कला है ना उसको पकड़ सकें. ठीक है, तो करना क्या है इसमें कि जब मैटर वैटर आप लिख लीजिए तो PDF तो हम डाल ही देते हैं, है ना. तो उसको निकालिए प्रिंट करके, जो भी जैसे भी मोबाइल पे नाम को जो है 2-2 लाइन प्रैक्टिस करिए. मोहरपाल, अंटी, क्या नाम है इसका, अनाज मंडी और जितने भी आए हैं बिल्लू, ये सब देखिए नाम बहुत इजी है. एक बार अगर 2 लाइन प्रैक्टिस आपने कर ली नाम वाम पे, तो ये सब बिल्लू पिल्लू जितने नाम है ये सब आप कैसे बनाएंगे. आप बस बी और अपवर्ड एल, ठीक है ना, थ्रू द लाइन, और वॉवल ज़रूरी लगा दीजिए. तो जब नाम आप फैमिलियर हो जाएंगे तो फिर किसी भी नए नाम पे ना आपका जो पेन है ना वो उंगली एकदम चल जाएगी, पता भी नहीं चलेगा आपको कि कैसे चल गई. ठीक है, बिशन सिंह वगैरह ये सब नाम. ठीक है, तो नाम की कंप्लेन कतई ना करिएगा. जो हमने आपको एग्जांपल दिया NCLT अहमदाबाद का, तो इसमें आया है 3 नाम. जो भी एग्ज़ाम देने गए होंगे उनसे आप पता करवा लीजिएगा. ठीक है, तो चलिए फिर मिलते हैं अगले डिक्टेशन में. टाटा.